Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of the Daily Bone Podcast, where we discuss all things crypto markets. That includes the majors like Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, meme coins, and of course, NFTs. Today, we're going to discuss which DeFi tokens we could be targeting on the back of Meteora's run over the last day. We're going to talk about SOFI Bank offering crypto to normies and how this is going to get them to buy our bags. And we're going to talk about the US and China going to war over crypto. Good morning, everybody. Thank you all for listening. As always, if you're listening on Twitter, give us a like, bookmark, comment, retweet. If you're listening over on Zora, give us a comment. Let us know what you think about the Zora streaming experience. We're having a lot of fun streaming every show over to Zora. And if you're on YouTube, give us some more comments. Let us know what you are trading today. What should we be charting? What should we be looking at? I'm joined today by Kicks and Easy. Gonna have some fun on today's show. We are gonna talk tokens. We are gonna talk where we are in the cycle. Kicks, it's been a little bit since we've talked. How you feeling today?
I'm feeling great, man. I've been having a really good week. Been trading some perps, chilling, doing some stuff on Polymarket. Starting to get my bot making money on Polymarket all automatically. So that's pretty cool. But
is this the strategy you were telling us about but wouldn't tell us about?
Yeah, I didn't tell you guys. I would.
Yeah, he's a fucking bitch, dude. The dude's a fucking bitch. Like, fuck him. I hope that he stubs his toe today. He's a fucking bitch.
I'm not giving you shit, dude.
Bitch. You think the government shutdown ends tonight?
You get nothing. You get nothing out of me. It ends tonight.
You just tell me. Do you think?
I got no fucking clue, man. Maybe become a taxi driver and pick up drunk Democrats.
That was good, dude. I did well on that. Shout out to taxi driver.
That's what I'm saying, dude. The taxi drivers got that alpha.
Wait, what happened?
Oh, Ray, you just don't get. You're not part of the prediction market cabal. You just don't get. Some guy commented on the poly market for government shutdown ending. Said that he picked up a Democratic representative who was drunk, and the individual said, "Yeah, no, it's already a done deal. It's going to end Monday." Obviously, it wasn't Monday.
That's really funny. Maybe they meant like it's getting through the Senate or something on Monday.
And yeah, he was directionally right, just time sensitive wrong.
Or he just didn't understand the market. He was like, "Yeah, shutdown's over Monday. That's when they're going to get that bill over to the House." And that's basically means it's a done deal. So, like, yeah, the exact date of it, not quite there for Polymarket, but there for, what's actually happening. We have a lot to talk about today. We're going to let you know first that this show is brought to you in partnership by our friends over at Gemini. Did you know your credit card points and miles can lose value to inflation while they collect dust? Credit card companies often reduce the redemption value of your points and miles. Now imagine a credit card with rewards that can grow in value. With the Gemini credit card, you can earn Bitcoin or one of over 50 other cryptocurrencies instantly with no annual fee. Every swipe at the store or gas pump earns you instant rewards deposited straight into your account. Plus, if you sign up now, you'll get a $50 Bitcoin bonus to kickstart your rewards. Go to bodalgos.com/Gemini to sign up today. I signed up for this card Monday, maybe Tuesday. I already have like $4 in Bitcoin. It's pretty nice.
Let's go, dude.
Yeah. Just stacking Bitcoin every time I buy stuff.
Hello?
Hold on.
Yeah, I thought it was me.
Got some shit ass internet over there, dude.
I don't know. It's this new house. I mean, I'm wired in. I have an Ethernet cable like running all the way out the door, like down the hallway, and like to where our router is, because it's not wired up properly for like Cat 5, and I got to figure out how to like get to my router. It's really frustrating because the router's like directly below right here.
Yeah, drill a hole.
I could like reach down and grab it if like I was laying on the floor and there was no floor there. So
drill a hole.
Are you sure you're not on Wi-Fi right now on your computer?
I'm 100% positive.
Cool.
Drill a hole through the floor, Ray.
It's okay. This is just the telecom companies hustling you to get on the boosted internet for only $40 more a month.
I mean,
that's what I did. They dug a massive line on my property, and now I have 7 gig up down.
See, I don't like this. This isn't. I should be getting gig. I'm getting 500-600 megs here on the fast.com.
Yeah, that doesn't look like Comcast to me, dude.
No, we're
Looks like one of those poor internets.
We're on Verizon.
Verizon's usually good, man. That's surprising.
Yeah.
Verizon was one of the first companies to bring FiOS to Northern Virginia.
Yep. Yeah. So we're gonna have to figure out this issue because it's been an issue a couple times now. Man. Markets are chopping, seeing things going up and down. We talked about DeFi projects yesterday, and we saw Meteora pump on the back of that. Did you take any of your trades yesterday, Easy, that you were talking about? I know we had a number of like DeFi plays in there too.
Aster and Link. I wish I took all of them because all of them cooked.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm long Aster, Met, and Uni. And I'm up on Aster pretty good. I'm up on Met really good. Slightly down on Uni, but overall up pretty good.
Nice. I'm going to dive into that a bit more, but before we do, how about we crack out a little weather report here, Kicks, and then we'll get going.
Sure, bud. Ladies and gentlemen, today is Wednesday, November 12th. The majors held steady on the day. Bitcoin just under 105K. Ethereum just under 3,600. Solana at 160. Hype just above $40. Over the past 24 hours, China accused the United States of a state-level hack after it seized $13 billion worth of Bitcoin stolen in the Lububu mining hack from 2020. The U.S. disputed claims, calling it a lawful action against criminal proceeds. Next up, it was an up and down day for crypto ETFs as Bitcoin and Solana products posted net inflows and Ethereum ETFs posted net outflows. Most notably, IBIT Bitcoin ETF recorded its largest single day inflow of $224 million. Finally, SoFi became the first U.S. bank to allow customers to purchase Bitcoin, ETH, and SOL directly from their checking account. Retail is finally here to buy our bags. That's it for the weather report. Back to you in the studio.
Excellent weather report as always, Kicks. Are normies here? Are they going to be buying Bitcoin, SOL, and ETH with their checking accounts?
No.
I think that's the same answer for me.
There's like 10 people that couldn't buy and now can buy because of that.
Yeah, like SoFi, I can buy it right in my banking account.
Oh my gosh.
This guy looks excited about it though.
Yeah, he's excited, man. Who knows? Maybe there are a bunch of old people on SoFi that I don't even think SoFi is for old people. SoFi is like got popular for like student loan repackaging for high credit people.
So that sounds like it's going to be Clemente then, who would be a target for that.
Hey, Johnny. Yep. Buy 3 Solana for me this morning. Yep. Just take it off my bank account. Yep. I'll take the overdraft fee. That's fine. Yep. All right. See ya.
Let's go. You a SoFi patron?
I love SoFi, dude. SoFi, fee 5
Yeah, I feel like it's been a while since we've seen you on the show. How have you been? What have you been up to?
I was in Brazil. We just got back from Brazil. All right. Sorry, I don't know. Was I supposed to, an undisclosed location? We just got back.
You were sending me so many videos of you doing cocaine for multiple days, dude. It was crazy.
Ray, bleep that one out. Bleep that one out. Take that one out from the show. We were at an undisclosed location for a week. I had a really bad stomach virus the whole time I was there, dude. It was terrible.
Did you drink the water?
Yeah, dude. Of course.
So there you go.
No, it was before I got there. It was before.
It's not Montezuma's revenge. It's Chilean Army's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 X revenge.
Yeah. I don't know what Montezuma is.
It's if you drink the water in Mexico.
Oh, got it. No, I've drank the water in Mexico. I've had, this is the first time I've had stomach problems in my entire life. I've known, they called me the Iron Dome in high school because I would never have any stomach problems, no matter what happened. We had an E. coli breakout because of a local Chipotle at my high school. I would eat a Chipotle almost every single day. Did anything happen to me? No. But I had something at the airport. Dude, I had bubble guts for a week.
That's tough. Lost a little weight, though. It's a good cutting phase.
Yeah, you know, I had to take that. What's going on? How are you guys?
Feeling good.
I'm trying to get talked out of full porting Coinbase stock right now.
Who's telling you to do it?
Me.
I actually think it's like the dumbest thing you could do.
Why? Why?
One second. Let me hear your bull case.
They're basically going to integrate everything. They're launching their
Wrong.
ICO platform. The stock is okay. It's either buying Coinbase or Robinhood.
You just said the thing out loud. What you should be buying.
So Robinhood's market cap is bigger than Base's or than Coinbase.
Yep.
So I would rather. Why would I not just buy Coinbase? Coinbase
Because
so Robinhood is all finance. Coinbase is crypto, and breaking crypto into finance.
Let me break this down for you real quick. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
You're looking at the niche do everything finance app, only crypto, right? It's going to be much harder for them to get approvals for a variety of different financial assets. Robinhood has already announced what's rolling out for them: mortgages, bank accounts, cash delivery. They have crypto, they have prediction markets. If you don't see that the path there is much easier because of the simple fact that it's a do everything finance app, which will probably be one of the first where you can put crypto onto the app and verify those assets for a mortgage, which will be a first of its kind approach, then I think that you're just overthinking it. Coinbase still, as a person who just went through this, no matter how much money I put on Coinbase, the bank would not recognize it as capital. They would not recognize it as assets unless I put it into a bank account. Robinhood, combining everything into a flat dollar amount with a bank account statement, streamlines that entire process. It's also just, dude, Vlad is a sicko. Absolute sicko. My only issue with Vlad is he's not bald. So Coinbase has +1 in that category because of the fact that Brian Armstrong has no hair.
Well, you could also just chat GPT Vlad without hair and then just use that, like get that picture put up on your desk and then just have that remind you of that.
I think Robinhood is still undervalued. Still.
Clemente, if I could hit you with an idea.
Yeah, hit me.
Whatever amount you want to buy Coinbase, like whatever amount you put into Coinbase stock right now, instead put it into Coinbase, let it get your little APR, and use that to invest in the ICOs they launch.
Well, the problem with those is I need to like always be buying and selling those. Like I just want to buy something and not have to think about it. This is more of my investment money versus trading money.
Gotcha.
So that's why I would be like with the Monad thing, I'm like, I don't know how much I would buy that. And then if I buy it and if I sell, I get penalized.
Only even the first 30 days.
So I'd rather just buy the actual stock, buy the casino, because if they're going to be doing these ICOs, and what happens when this base token gets launched? How's the market going to react to that?
You think that? I think that would be
more
more bullish to own the base token, which they'll ICO.
I'm trying to figure this out, but this I feel more comfortable buying Coinbase or Robinhood than I am buying Ethereum, for example, or than I am buying, maybe even like Solana. I'm trying to understand what to buy here. I've got some capital I'm sitting on. I want to deploy it because I think people are being scared little bitches, and if they're bearish, but I don't know how to capitalize on it.
Bitcoin?
Yeah, but Bitcoin, I have Bitcoin. That's just so boring. I'm like, I want to feel something a little bit.
How much?
But Coinbase stock isn't boring?
Yeah, look at that shit for the whole fucking year, dude. It hasn't done shit. It looks like Bitcoin chart,
bro. Okay, what is this? Look at that. That's right at resist. What do you call? Is this the resistance at the bottom? No,
sure.
That's the what do you call that?
That is the 200-day moving average.
Look at that 200-day. Zoom in on that. That's a coiled spring right there. If I've ever seen one. That's like when you get when that fat guy from second grade, you get on a trampoline with him and he jumps on all of a sudden, he takes a big ass jump and you realize you're about to get launched into outer space when they double jump you.
That chart looks like your heartbeat after doing cocaine in Brazil, dude.
Something like that, Clemente?
I'm like, dude, I don't know. Coinbase, I want to buy. And it's not that Trader Fermi saying I have an inherent aversion to buying Bitcoin. I have multiple coins, bitch. How about that, Trader
You have
Fermi?
multiple whole
I don't
coins?
believe you.
That's really good.
No, I think
Well-
I have like one. I think I have more than one. Definitely not two.
That's good. Why don't you buy some open stock?
He said, I have multiple coins. More than one, less than two. You do the math.
Why don't you buy some open stock?
I have 10 grand in open. I have 1,400 shares of open.
I think you buy more open. As crazy, dude. Open's
Dude.
going to $20.
I've been buying with this aggressive.
Open looks good. If you want to get weird, you got to start looking into the robotics companies, dude. That's the growth sector because those things move like 16% a day,
but I don't
up and down.
Yeah, then they just dump.
What are
Yeah, but then
the
they pump.
robotic companies you're looking at?
Sorry, Ray.
What robotic companies are you looking at?
I got to find this one guy. There's this one dude who just tweets about robotic companies that I just started liking his stuff. I got to find him because he shared some good ones.
What
Or
about
is it, what's his name? Andrew Kang?
No, not him. I don't like him.
Clemente? What if because you're looking for an investment, not just trading, right?
Yeah.
Hear me out. It's like you'd hold it for 5 years.
Yeah.
Tesla stock.
Okay. I'm like trying to figure. I want to figure out what I have money that I want to invest right now, and I don't want to put it into altcoins.
Tesla stock.
Tesla stock. What's it as? A 440? What's the alt? Is this literally at an all-time high right now? Okay, I'm buying.
I mean, the S&P is at an all-time high right now.
Yeah, but think about it, like 5 years from now, dude. Fucking every Tesla car will be FSDing around. People will be Ubering with FSD. The robots will be like folding your laundry and shit, and probably have like drone police that just like shoot suspects out of the air and stuff. So,
Is Optimus releasing under Tesla? Like that's all that robotic stuff is coming out of Tesla.
yeah, and they just approved a new package for Elon, and he gets like $1 trillion if he like cooks the stock over the next 5 years. So it's kind of like a bet on Elon doing that. So
You do have the key man risk there, right?
like if he gets shot or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Yeah, probably. I mean, I'm not
Yeah,
gonna.
but we
bet on
also have
time.
key man risk. Like, what if Choose Rich Nick got shot?
That would be.
Yeah.
That would suck, dude.
That'd be
just
so
Like,
rough, dude.
The Greeks had key man risk with Alexander the Great when they conquered most of the modern world.
Dude, Nick would not stop talking about that for like 6 years. He'd remind us every day that he got shot. It'd suck.
Yeah, that'd be annoying. Probably start a rap
That'd be
career
annoying.
like 50 Cent.
Yeah, I'd be so pissed if Nick got shot. All right. So
Yeah, dude,
So-
that would really suck if he just got shot.
This guy Benny says, does Clemente hold any stocks? Might as well have said, does Pio hold any stocks? Because Clemente says, I own Hood, Iron, Open, MSD, and Cypher. He's literally Pio. He just
the thing is, dude, Pio's low key on an absolute heater in stocks. It like
Oh,
kind of
yeah.
pisses me off because
Yeah.
he's so good at it.
He's crushing stocks. His MicroStrategy is the only one that's underperforming.
Yeah, but the problem is he has so many shares that he's bought a lot with margin. He just rips covered calls on him and makes like a few $100 a week.
Ugh.
It kind of pisses me off, to be honest. But yeah,
MicroStrategy is ugly, dude.
I'm down $8,000 on MicroStrategy. That's awesome. That's awesome, dude.
it looks like it's at support right here.
Like, what the fuck, dude?
Yeah, it's hopefully it doesn't turn into resistance.
Yeah.
And you tell Peel that he's like, man, you're such a dumbass. You're
You're a fucking trader. I don't want traders in the equity. You get the fuck out of here, you fucking stupid piece of shit trader.
So you guys talked about this yesterday. I wanted to briefly bring it up. Uniswap. Kicks, I 100% agree that I think it is a buy, but I'm curious what your strategy is here. And by the way, just clear insider trading on the announcement of this proposal going live to turn on the fees.
Where?
Clear insider trading leading into that announcement. No?
Wasn't it announced on Monday where this big candle was? Are you saying
Yeah, what about those 3 candles before that?
you're saying this is the insider trading?
Yeah. You want to see it?
What about this?
What are you laughing at?
What
do you
about that?
Okay, look at the
What about
rest of the
this?
market.
It's
The
just a
rest of the
normal
market. No, look at the rest of the market. Nothing was pumping, and Uniswap is putting up 25% daily candles.
Well, if I can say, we were in Bodago's general chat talking about buying Uniswap at $7 because there was rumors of a fee switch proposal, and Polymarket launched a market about when they would do the fee switch by, and December 31st was at like 75%. Point being is I think it was a non-public but rumors going around thing.
Yeah,
So like I wouldn't call it pure play insider trading, just like more so like people info kind of coming out. So you just got to get better at your info stream. But if you were in the Bodagos chat, you could have gone long at 7. But yeah, I'm long that, I'm long Met, and I'm long Aster. So
I'm still
3
holding
kind
my
of
Aster.
revenue utility plays. And then I'm looking at Bitcoin. The reason why I'm happy to be long here is Bitcoin looks like it could have a nice curl on the daily. So I think it would at least send it to 106.5, and it could pulse above the moving averages and get to like 108, 109. And so I think if it does that, it should drag up a lot of these alts. So I like being long here on the alts.
That makes sense. You're long
This morning. That was the one I picked out of Easy's bag of tricks from yesterday.
I think pump looks pretty good. It has a nice like double bottom that is playing off of. I mean, more than a double bottom, but it's like really been consolidating, like 0.36, 0.37. It's been bouncing off of that pretty well. And I think if you look at the weekly, it definitely looks like it's been consolidating here for a while. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if that pulses up as well, with Bitcoin moving up to 106, 108 range.
Sean Elliott says Pio tells all his followers to buy MicroStrategy at 350 and then goes ghost mode. Then he reappears and tells about open 1 month late snake move IMO. If Pio was here, he would actually, I think, blow a gasket reading that.
You didn't call open 1 month late because I bought open at $3.30 because of Pio. So
Pio
like,
shills MicroStrategy every day. It's the most annoying part about him.
I think he called open like right here, somewhere in this area.
Yeah,
I got in just above 3. So no, he made a good call on open. Aster, I think, could make a nice move up to like 140,
150.
150.
I'm at 161 is my target.
To sell?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm down 50% on that thing. Awesome.
Well, you'll be only down 20% when it pumps or something like that, right?
Yeah, but then do I sell there? I have no idea how to sell this. Like, I'm just stuck bag holding right now, and I'm trying to figure out when to sell.
Yeah, it's kind of like pump, where like it's been building like a base in this range since the like 22nd of October. But the nice thing is that Aster has really tight Bollinger Bands right now. Bollinger Bands right now, like really tight inside the Keltner channel. So it's poised to make a volatile move in the next week. And I think crypto will be, the majors will be neutral to up. So I think it has a nice opportunity to springboard. I'm a little bit more conservative in my take profit. So I got mine at 150, but I think Easy's 1.6 target is hittable as well.
Yeah, like this. So 1.6 puts you at this previous pump, essentially.
Yeah, I'm selling where, like, if you see there's like those 4 candles of resistance around 150.
I mean, there's 6 altcoins you should buy: Chainlink, Athena, Aster, Hyperliquid, Pump Fund. What was the 6th one? I don't remember. I just go like WLFI, World Liberty 5.
I mean, come on.
Just making that up.
Come on.
No. Go look at the WLFI chart. It looks good.
Dude, what are you
I was early to that, and a little too early.
You were.
A little too early.
This
There
is
are-
gonna go.
There are only 5 tokens you should buy right now: Starknet, Tezos,
Oh,
Floki.
I got a Starknet.
crazy.
I got a Starknet story for you guys. You'll like this. So
There's only 5 stocks you should buy right now: Strike, Stripe, Strategy, Strife, Stamp, Stomp, and
Stream.
Stick.
So Monday morning, I come in, sit at the desk. I'm like, okay, dude, it's time to make some fucking money. Let's lock in, right? So I'm looking around at the charts on Hyperliquid, and I see Zcash looking like it wants to roll over. So I'm like, okay, let me put this short in on Zcash. I shorted at like 628, and it's just fucking puking. And I'm like, let's fucking go, right? And then I'm like, okay, cool. Like, let me long some other things. So I got into another long, whatever. And then I started getting a little silly. I'm like, oh man, Starknet. Like, I don't know. I like the narrative here. The technicals on it were horrible, right? So I threw my whole playbook out and I long it. And then I realized this fucking thing is like perfectly correlated to Zcash. So I basically hedge out my entire Zcash short, which is just masterful. So just the Zcash short would be up $500. Starknet's down $500. I'm like, what the fuck did I just do, dude? I just hedged out my best play of the week. But it's all good. I shook that off and have made some moves the rest of the week. So,
You long Stark and you shorted Zcash.
I shorted Zcash first, made some money. Zcash is puking. And then I'm like looking around, and then Starknet, just like the technicals were horrible. Based on my perp trading strategy, I would never take that. But I took it just because I read some article about it. And then I realized that they're basically perfectly correlated because it's both, privacy, ZK plays. Also, some people saying, whoa, kicks along Aster finally caved into CZ's dominance. Risk saying just catching up. Aster, what the fuck's kicks you turncoat? I'll have you know, about 30% of my perp gains are from longing Aster. I can long something that I hate. Fuck Aster. I still hate Aster. But the technicals look great on Aster to 150. So I'm going to take that money, but I'm trading it on Hyperliquid.
Okay, Easy's holding a big Lububu.
It's a giant Lububu.
Dude, Nick bought a fake one in Brazil. It's so bad.
Really? You want to know the worst part about this giant Lububu?
You bought the top of it?
Bought the absolute Pico top of it.
How much was that thing? Wait, let me guess. All right, everybody puts in a guess. In the comments, guess how much Easy paid for this Lububu. At the Pico top, the small ones were worth about $95. $90 to $95. This big one, Easy, you paid $675 is my official guess. Kicks?
749.
749. Ray?
550.
550. I think
Clemente wins.
Oh!
$700.
Oh!
No. You went over.
$700 for
Price
this.
is Right rules. You went over.
What?
No,
I
Kicks went over.
I
said Clemente went just under.
What do you say?
He said 675. Kicks said
Oh.
740.
If you were
Price is
paying
right, he
attention,
wins.
Ray, you would have known it, but you're too busy just worrying about your stupid internet.
I'm blocking Clemente on Zora is what I'm doing by accident because I thought it was an impersonator.
I think
Classic.
Blake was the closest one out of all of us. 640.
This is my giant Lububu.
That's awesome. I like that thing. That
And I got a
thing's
giant
baller.
chicken nugget right there.
You know what? You know what? Where is it? I'm going to was Blake the closest?
I
Yeah.
think Blake. Who was he? Wait, let's double check. Who was the closest? Blake? Did he win?
Should we give some money on YEET to him?
Okay. I'm down.
We're gonna do I think we're gonna do YEET's Got Talent tomorrow, Clemente, if you're down.
Oh, let's go. I'm in.
Yeah. We're gonna pick the
Yeah,
winner.
then I still have the Bulbasaurs. They're just on that wall. I keep them out of sight because the collections, it's reached a point of value that I don't feel comfortable putting on stream.
Yeah, and if the camera hits it too much, it fades away the quality of it. The
Yeah.
light.
But I got a little Bulbasaur right there. And there's a giant Bulbasaur right above it. If I move the standing desk up, you can see it. But I'm not going to do that.
Dude, I can hear your loud ass standing desk.
Revving up.
One of these days I'll pull up and I'll do a stream in the horse barn.
Hell yeah.
We'll show the
dude.
horses.
All right, I'm gonna send Blake $50 from Yeet. We're gonna do Yeet's Got Talent tomorrow. We're gonna take all the top clips. We're gonna go through them. We've got some finalists. Me and Clemente need to finalize who we're gonna be nominating for the top 3, and then we'll pick them live on air tomorrow. Big news out of Yeet though yesterday. Did you guys see this? Did you guys see
Sportsbook, baby.
Sportsbook coming this week?
Whoa, bro.
Sportsbook coming this week for Yeet. I think OS tweeted it out.
Shit.
Or was it Mando?
KBM quote tweeted it.
Yeah, I think it was Mando.
Oh, Mando.
Yeah, I think it was OSF and Mando.
Oh, Steph and Mando, the 2 Yeeters.
I'm bet on the Rams, dog. Yeah.
Sports coming this week. That's exciting. So maybe get some NFL action this weekend.
Better get ready, dude.
T-Ward, just so you know, there's also a signed Percy Harvin jersey from Florida.
Yo, big old Percy Harvin.
Yeah, he was great in Madden his first year. He was like so quick, so fast. Like that
Go two-time national champ winner signed right there, and it says 2-time. And then we obviously got Joe Namath and John Wall.
Percy Harvin played running back, I believe. He was like a scat back though.
Little 36 counter. Sorry, 25 counter.
Return man.
Hey guys, I'm sorry, listeners. I'm so sorry. This is not a football podcast. This is a crypto podcast where we talk about the biggest and most developing technologies. We're next up. We're going to talk about some other upcoming tokens you need to be watching for. And in this segment, I'm going to look at
the fuck up, Clemente.
And as always, this is not financial advice, but for upcoming undervalued tokens, we're going to talk about 3 right now. This is not financial advice. Token number 1, Decentraland, mana token. Now, this one is what you call
I like this.
Blood. As we all know, Decentraland, huge name in 2021.
I also watched the Ready Player One movie last night. So
yeah, Ready Player One.
Ooh. So you're like primed for this take.
You're seeing the transition now from physical land, which is, we all know, very hard to get, to digital land. Everyone wants to spend time online, which is why they're going to be getting exposure to Decentraland token.
A lot of mortgages in the digital world are only 5-year mortgages, so not that much interest on them.
Look how long this thing's been green in the MACD. Decentraland just bear proof.
Do you guys actually want a sleeper pick? Like a for real sleeper pick?
Sure.
This one was easy, I think. First talked about this. Who is mashing on his keyboard? I just muted him. This one, I was at the airport, at the Miami airport, and I'm going to try to share this, which is ridiculous. And I saw they paid for ads at the Miami airport.
Okay.
I'm sure I have to share here, but let me know if you can see this. Look at this ad. Can you guys see this?
Sure.
Look at this. Ready? Wait, hold on. Sorry. I was waiting for it to switch. Boom. TEXIT Coin. The future of money in Texas. They're shilling.
Dude.
Dude.
What's it called?
They're shilling this at the airport.
TEXIT.
I can't see it.
TEXIT. So let me also emphasize this. In Singapore, at Token, when you went up the escalator to the second floor for Token, there was a massive, I'm talking, this thing had to be 100 by 50 banner for TEXIT Coin. 100 by 50 banner for TEXIT Coin. I have never heard of this coin before, ever. Never bought it, nothing. I went to a crypto meetup on the west coast of Florida. The average age there was at least 50. This coin was $2. Every person in attendance owned so much of this coin from like 50 cents. And I was like, what is your thesis? Like, none of you guys live in Texas. They're like, it's bigger than that. It's the first state coin. I was like, what? They're like, you can only mine the coin in Texas. You have to be geolocated to mine it. Kicks, this thing's up 3,000% this year. TEXIT. 3,000%. When I talked about it, it was $2.
Did you buy?
Oh
No.
man, you're gonna be their TEXIT liquidity at this point.
Look, they're buying ads in every airport. This is genius. This is in DFW.
The fucking name. It sounds like TextIt. It sounds like it's like a social
So
app.
it's like Brexit. The goal is to
Dude.
raise enough capital with the TEXIT coin to secede from the United States.
I mean, then I would have named like the ticker Alamo or something.
No, TEXIT. It's like Brexit. But their end goal here is to get enough capital to leave. And this would be the official currency of Texas.
I mean, that's kind of cool. Do they got any like local Texas senators on board with this?
Absolutely not. It's just a bunch of people who don't live in Texas.
It's just like
Holy shit! Look
you
at
can
this.
only mine this. Who came up with this beautiful scam? You can only mine it in Texas. Nobody in Texas owns it. It's all people that don't live in Texas. The whole purpose is so that Texas can secede from the union.
Look,
I think it works both ways. It's beautiful. You have people who are like, get these Texas guys out of the U.S. You get the Democrats really on board. They get Texas gone. Everyone who wants Texas, like if you're in Texas, like yeah, let's get out of here. Let's secede. So you have both sides working towards the same goal of getting Texas out of the U.S. I think it's genius.
All right, we have to look. I've never seen this. This is TEXIT Coin, I think, Meetup. What are they saying here?
I can't hear it.
You can't hear this.
No.
God damn it. 1 second. Please hold.
If you can
Please
send me the
hold.
link, I can try to.
I'm just kind of the steward of the cash
There we go.
that's crowdfunded into this project.
Look at the squirrel.
When that money comes in, that $1,000, that $3,000, that $9,000,
It's an armadillo.
that $27,000, we're crossing our fingers and we're hoping that I follow through and I do the three things that I say I'm going to do with the money. Pay the commissions, build the mine, promote the coin. That's why this thing keeps getting bigger, bigger, bigger. The money comes in, we build the mine, you refer people, the mine grows. You get your 1, 2, 3 reward, the mine grows. Somebody new signs on, the mine grows. I see cross-team participation in this deal like I've
This is
never
a pyramid
seen
scheme.
anywhere else.
Jesus Christ, dude, this is
Because
bad.
we all know that whoever's bringing people on, whoever's doing well, the mine grows. The more cash comes in, the more we have in our budget to put back out into advertising and promotion. You guys heard the news, right? We just got approved to go into Mexi.
All right,
Oh,
I'm buying this.
big pickup there on Mexi, dude.
We have to buy this.
Holy crap! Can we please take a look at this? This we need to take a look at this, dude. Look at this guy, dude. If you buy something this guy sells, you got to know, like, if you don't get out early, you're scammed, right? I allegedly, Bobby Gray. I'm just kidding around. This is just an entertainment show. I'm not saying you're a scammer at all. But this is probably my favorite part right here. As we live through these unprecedented times, my advice to you is simple: get rich now.
Good advice.
With the fucking Koenigsegg? Jesus, dude.
This fucking shit, dude. Oh my gosh, man. Bobby Gray.
I'm a Bobby Gray fan.
KOL.
I'm a Bobby Gray fan.
Dude, I love this so much. So is it actually an armadillo or a squirrel?
It's an armadillo.
Yeah, definitely an armadillo.
What, they got their own mascot?
Dude, look at their text.
Yeah, it's an armadillo.
Okay,
In a
hold on.
spacesuit.
I love this coin so much.
No, 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 no. Just like the wind.
This sizzle real fast.
Dude's just wrapping Lambos and bonus depreciating them.
Oh my god, this is amazing.
You want to learn how you can get a Lambo for free? Wrap it. Wrap it in the TEXIT coin.
Oh my god. All right. So are we buying this thing?
Dude, I'm going to be cheering for you on the sidelines.
$4. I think it can go to 8.
I love we started this stream
designed
with
for
Clemente saying that he has some
generations of honest
cash
trade.
and he's looking for
many ways,
serious
TEXIT
long-term investments. And then now, less than 30 minutes later, we're looking at TEXIT Coin. which he's predicting could go to $8.
This show brings it out of me.
The duality of man. No, you're just a barbell guy, dude. You're like, I want to park my money in something really, really safe, and then I want to go full degen.
Oh my god.
Dude's complaining that Bitcoin's not volatile enough, so he's buying the exit TEXIT coin.
That my uni's getting pooped on right now.
A lot of stuff is.
Some guy was like saying on the timeline, he's like, yeah, if you look at the math behind the uni fee switch swap, token holders will lose $96 million a year. I don't know. Maybe he's right. Maybe he's I don't know. But I was like, I don't know. That's how would them turning on the fee switch make everyone lose money?
How does it make any sense?
Yeah. But now my perps account's bleeding. But that's fine. We're still chopping around.
You're just racking up some realized losses to offset the gains, farming the airdrop.
Exactly. Now it's just usually like it's tough. Whenever I set really good take profit targets on perps, the coin always fucking runs further. Whenever I say let it ride, it's never the one that really wants to run. But I still believe I'm holding net and Aster. The technicals look great. I just need Bitcoin to hold up. And I think I can get another 4 days, 5 days of good Bitcoin price action, and then I can exit all these longs. That's my strategy. And I'm going to throw it all into TEXIT with Smiley Clemente.
Are we worried about the Bitcoin death cross?
On the monthly?
Death cross.
All right, next segment, guys. Huge warning. We're about to give you a huge warning sign for crypto. Could the top be in? Is Bitcoin going to 20K? You will find out next.
In this video, we talk about the butt fucking that Bitcoin caused traders.
Seriously, I'm going to pull up the moving average.
On the monthly?
Just the moving average. Hold on. I'm trying to figure out which one.
On the monthly.
He's about to look at what chart is actually bearish versus the most bullish thing possible. Whoa, wait, what? They're talking about Chile? TEXIT coin?
Here's the move. What's going on here?
Why are they posting the Chilean flag? I think they think the Chilean flag is the Texas flag.
No, it's got the star.
This is the Chilean flag, easy. The Texas star has the big. This is the Chilean flag.
Maybe this is alpha. Maybe Chile.
This is the Texas flag.
That's an escape plan, dude. That's the escape plan. Chile.
Where?
Somebody just ordered the wrong flag.
There's like a sneaky collab.
I don't know what. I like it even more. I actually think this coin might be for me.
All right, here is the cross. So like we're approaching what would be called a death cross. It's on the 50-day crosses below the 100-day moving average on Bitcoin, and we've seen this.
These traders were taken out to the back of the pasture and castrated. Thanks to the Bitcoin death cross.
We've seen it a number of times before where you had crosses and some bearish price action. Are you guys concerned with a potential death cross and an extended period of poor price action on Bitcoin?
The monthly looks worse to me than the weekly. The monthly looked like it could be closer to bottoming. The monthly is trying to curl.
Yeah.
But the monthly doesn't happen until the end of the month. So that's a nice thing. That's why I only need 5 days of bullish action.
All right. We will have to see. I've seen some people getting concerned here, but to be seen.
Yeah, you get that bearish MACD curl, man. You know, maybe you're getting that 80K Bitcoin.
We've got not affiliated in the Zora chat just buying up Daily Bone tokens right now. You see this, Clemente?
Cool. That's good for him.
This guy's just aping. I'm gonna give a shout out to
He's a huge Daily Bone podcast bull. He put out a statement, a Zora post of his own that click on his profile. Click on that post. He put out like a tokenized Zora post about the Daily Phone podcast.
I love this.
I mean,
I
he's
love
liking
the
what he's seeing. He loves the TEXIT Coin content.
Yeah. See, this is what happens when we did this TEXIT Coin content.
Okay, I'm gonna show one more video and then I'm done.
All right.
Produce Bobby's daughter. Already.
All right.
Can you hear this?
Hi, I'm Samantha. I'm Bobby's daughter, and I was also the first miner of TEXIT Coin. But I want to talk about how TEXIT Coin saved my life last year. At the end of last year, I was diagnosed with kidney hydronephrosis, and it was congenital, so I was born with it. Couldn't do anything about it. The doctors told me it was going to take over 6 months to schedule and cost $150,000, which we don't trust American healthcare. I don't have insurance. It wasn't going to happen. The doctors told me if I didn't get it fixed soon, they were just going to continue to do damage and possibly
pay for it with
kill me
TEXIT Coin?
sometime soon. So little did I know, my dad was starting something called TEXIT Coin in my backyard. And safe to say, at the end of last year, we had enough money. I was able to go out to Thailand and be operated on by the top surgeon in Southeast Asia. I made a full recovery, and now I'm here.
Oh, God.
And
Whoa! Now look at my vagina. Oh, Jesus. Hey, Ray, pull up my screen.
Hold on.
I mean, come on, dude. What are we doing here?
This is what I'm looking for next 15 days. See those thick ass purple lines?
Yeah.
That's what the next 16 days we just sit in this little fucking range and alts make some moves.
Hitting the range. Your bottom range is 99K. Alts will definitely make some moves if we go down to 99K.
Oh my God, dude.
It's in a range. You don't understand. Okay? It's in a range. It could go up to 106 and go down to 99, but if it just chops in this range, I think alts are springboarded. But yeah, all I need is 2 weeks.
I'm pretty sure that girl said the doctors are going to continue to do damage to her and then eventually kill her.
Oh
And
my
I think
God.
her grammar was a little messed up there.
Clemente's having like a moral crisis where he wants to buy this thing, but he knows it's such a bad thing to buy, but he wants to. Like and almost the more bad bearish things he sees, it makes him want to buy it even more.
That was an insane video. She was like, yo, I have a really bad kidney disease and I was screwed and we were broke. And then my dad launched TEXIT Coin, which he used to get me to Thailand and get operated on.
She's like
look at my
Walter White of crypto. Bobby Gray.
Oh my God, dude. Yeah.
Oh man.
That's pretty crazy.
I'm gonna wrap here. Anything else you guys want to talk about?
Nope. Hopefully Uniswap can go to $12.
Yeah. And by the next show, Clemente is probably going to own TEXIT Coin. Thank you all for listening. It's been a wonderful Wednesday. We had a lot of fun today. We do this show Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern time. You can catch us on all major podcasting platforms. Catch us on Spotify, Apple. Watch us on Zora or YouTube. See what we're talking about in real time. Thanks again.